Welcome to this brief overview of the Hogan Development Survey, HDS. As distributor, APS represent Hogan assessment systems in the UK and can certify users and provide reports for all Hogan products. The HDS is one of 4 world-class business-focused psychometric tools. The Hogan Personality Inventory, HPI, looks at how an individual's normal personality impacts on their everyday behaviour at work, what Hogan refers to as our personality bright side. The Hogan Development Survey, HDS, is designed to highlight the risk of an individual displaying behaviours that may impede work relationships and performance at work and lead to possible career derailment. This is what Hogan refers to as our personality dark side. The Motives, Values and Preferences Inventory, MVPI, assesses areas that provide satisfaction. It can help identify drivers for personal engagement and the working climate created as a result. Useful to assess the fit with roles and organisational culture. This is what Hogan refers to as our personality from the inside. The Hogan Business Reasoning Inventory, HBRI, is a cognitive ability test for management that identifies tactical and strategic reasoning, a critical factor affecting overall decision-making and business judgment. This ability often increases in importance because, as individuals transition through their management career, their role usually increases in complexity, scope, and decision consequence. The HDS, developed over 10 years ago, highlights the risk of an individual displaying behaviours that may impede working relationships and job performance. These behaviours may be behavioural strengths that are overused, or ineffective coping strategies when an individual is under pressure, tired, or otherwise distracted. Over time, such behaviour may erode the quality of interactions with colleagues and customers, reduce personal effectiveness, and possibly limit career progression. If left unchecked, it can eventually lead to career derailment. Organisations use the HDS for a variety of talent management applications, ranging from recruitment and selection, particularly senior management, to coaching and training interventions. The opportunity to identify what can get in the way of job success has increasingly gained importance in selection activity, particularly in senior positions. The HDS identifies what Hogan refers to as the dark side of personality. It assesses 11 independent behavioural scales that research has identified as detrimental to performance. The survey results indicate the risk level of that behaviour being demonstrated. The Hogan Development Survey has been validated in over 50 organisations across a range of occupational categories. The current general norm is based on a sample size of over 200,000 individuals, making it one of the largest of its type available. The questionnaire is available online in multiple languages and takes around 15 minutes to complete. With results available within minutes of completion, organisations can easily incorporate the assessment into selection and recruitment processes or training and development programs. Participants can even complete the assessment in one language with reports generated in another, which can be helpful for international or global organisations. A range of reporting options are available to meet a variety of applications and budgets. Hogan selection reports can indicate the candidate's fit for a particular role. Some reports include personality-driven interview questions that target results. Hogan Development reports are available for general interpretation, and Hogan Lead reports focus on results interpretation and development of leadership. Used independently, the Hogan Development Survey provides unique insight when it's important to predict how an individual may react under pressure, increasingly important to know for leadership, management, high-profile and specialist roles. When used alongside the other Hogan tools, the HDS can increment the assessment validity for an individual's fit to a role. For further information, please contact Advanced People Strategies.